How to fix Free Fire voice chat not working. To fix the Free Fire voice chat not working, check the in-game audio sliders first of all. So go ahead and launch the application. Tap on this setting gear icon on the top right corner. Once you tap on this, all you have to do is head to the sound option. Once you're here, scroll downwards and make sure that the sound or the voice chat option is turned on. And also make sure to set this voice slider to max or according to your choice. Now once you have checked this, all you have to do is try clearing your network cache or the game cache itself. So head backwards and open your device's setting panel or simply open your device's app drawer. Locate the Free Fire application icon, long press it, then access the app info panel, scroll downwards until you find the storage section, then proceed to clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, all you have to do is go ahead and relaunch the application and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.